Hi guys, Paul here from Muscle Car UK again, Pilgrim MotorSports. We've got a fantastic 351 68 Mustang for you. Have a look at that. Absolutely gorgeous colour in this sort of bronzy gold. It's like a pearlescent metallic. It really is a really custom colour. It's absolutely beautiful all the way through it. As you can see, all the door shuts, etc. all the way through, absolutely gorgeous. We brought this car back from Arizona. It really is a rock solid, real dry car. It was built in San Jose and it lived in California all its life. And then it came over to Arizona for about 10 years with the last owner, who him and his father had done it over the course of the period of time. All been done by proper speed shops. It wasn't something that they'd done in their shed, as it were. It'd all been done properly. So it's had all upgraded suspension. It's obviously got these gorgeous American race wheels on it. It's got discs on the front. It's got discs on the back. It's got the Borgeson power steering on it. It's got the 351 with a few upgrades to make it go well. 5-speed Tremec gearbox and with a hydraulic clutch. So it really drives really smoothly through the gears. You haven't got that sort of real brutal feel to it because it's easy on the clutch, which is a great thing to have on one of these bigger engine cars. But it's also been done up nicely inside as well. It's got the upgraded interior, so it's got the bucket seats. As you can see, it's got the 5-speed gearbox, Hurst shifter. Just absolutely lovely, lovely, lovely car. Again, it's all been done properly. But the great thing is that these cars are just rock solid. You know, you're not feeling under here and finding any pug and stuff like that. It's all proper cars. All the way through, the chrome is all gorgeous at the back. I just love this colour. In this sunlight, it really does pop. It's beautiful, absolutely beautiful. No, the chrome is all good. And then again, as I always say to people, you know, if you want the wheels a different colour, you want the steering column different or whatever, the steering wheel rather, you know, you can change this if you wish. You've got the rev counter on there, but it's really great looking car. As you can see, all been renewed, new carpets, new everything. But if you want to come around and have a look at the engine, I'll have to start this one up for you because it really does sound fantastic. You can see here, it's got the Borgeson power steering, which is an upgrade from the sort of the older style. So it drives really well on the, you know, you don't get all that sort of boaty feel to it. It really sits well, and with these brakes, it really handles fabulously with the gearbox and everything else. You know, you've got electronic ignition set up in here. You've got the lovely Mustang powered Ford covers. It's literally just come back from California, so this hasn't been validated yet properly, to be truthful, but we just wanted to get it on the website. It's got MSD digital ignition system there as well. And as you can see underneath here, like I always say, you can always tell a good paintwork has been done by the way they finish it. Absolutely beautiful condition car, and a fabulous thing to start. So what I'll do is I'll start the engine and you can listen to it. So let's see how it goes. I don't know where we find them. It's absolutely amazing. It really does. I've driven this car out on the road and it really sits well. You can really feel that it's been properly engineered, this car. It is a Restomod, so of course it has all the restoration and modifications on it. But if you wanted a car that you could really enjoy, this will cruise at 70 miles an hour all day long with the 5th gear and the different ratio in the diff. The diff's all just been done as well. So you could literally, if you wanted to go on motorway work or whatever, or go away in it somewhere, fantastic, no problem at all. But listen to that soundtrack. I love it, I love it. Well, you can keep your Teslas and all that sort of stuff. I've got to be honest with you. You know, this is the thing to have. Something like this, make your heart pound. That's what you need. Give us a ring, 01273 493 860. It's Paul and it's Muscle Car UK. Hope to see you soon.